Hello. Keks have asked me to test this little lens, which is from a disposable camera mounted onto a body cap. It's 30mm. I'm going to compare it to my Zeiss 35 f2.8. A lovely day. I'm at Chiltern Open Air Museum. Have a look. And now time for the results. The Zeiss 35 has really good clarity, one of the things I love about it. But this Keks lens has a certain quality to it, which is very hard to describe. It has much heavier vignetting, but what I really enjoy about it is, with it being focus free, I'm playing around with angles and composition more than I would normally do with a rangefinder. It's been really fun to bring the camera down to ground level and get some shots from perspectives that I would not normally think about doing. It's really lovely for portraiture as well. Thank you, Keks. You'll find a link in my description.